Hi, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy Zoom paid version. So actually that's so simple to be done. First you just need to go into your browser and then to the search bar on the top side and then click and then type zoom.us. Anyways, once you got to the Zoom platform, what I want you to do is to sign in. For me, I already signed in, so I am just gonna go into my account on the top right corner. Secondly, what I want you to do is to go into plans and pricing, and from here you can choose the plan that fits you. For me, I just prefer the Pro version. Let's go into it just to set an example. In the here you can choose the plan also that will set you either the monthly plan or annually plan. So let's set an example as monthly plan, and let's go to into continue. Then here you can fill all the blanks with your informations and try to type the informations and try to type the correct ones, and don't miss any blank empty, and then go into continue to payment or to place order. Anyways, after that you will get the paid Zoom version, and everybody is looking for the paid Zoom version because they got bored of the normal version of Zoom because the good options are not allowed for them. Anyways, guys, that's the video, and that's the subject of the video. As you see, it's so easy to get the upgraded Zoom version just in a few steps and in a few minutes. You just need to place the order and to pay. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for watching. See you next video.